Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying you have tenant admin rights and a valid Sharepoint or Microsoft 365 license. Once confirmed, decide whether you need a team site for collaboration or a communication site for announcements, and gather the site name, owners, and member list. Now sign into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, open the Sharepoint Admin Center, and click Create Site. This first action spins up the skeleton you will configure next. Once the site exists, configure structure. Pick the template, set language and time zone, and establish site navigation. You should create document libraries and lists that mirror your team's workflow, then add columns and views for quick access. Next, assign roles, owners for management, members for editing, visitors for read-only, and use groups to simplify permissions. Make sure to enable versioning and storage limits so content stays organized and recoverable as usage grows. To finish, set governance, sharing settings, retention policies, and sensitivity labels so data is protected. Then test by inviting users, uploading files, and running any Power Automate flows or custom web parts. Confirm mobile and sync behavior. If something breaks, check permissions first. Most failures are access-related. Then verify OneDrive/SharePoint sync status and reindex the site for search problems. If needed, roll back recent changes or restore from version history to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.